So good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 9th B. So before we start the exercise 9th B, I will tell you one important thing. Exercise 9th B, all questions are totally based on the language based questions. So you have to be very careful about that. And my suggestion is that you have to solve each and every example before solve the exercise. At least one time you will you see the examples. Okay, so now the first question is divide 90 into two parts such that one part is 20% of the other part. Okay, so means you have to tell the amount that 90 is divided into two parts, then you have to tell that how much number, or you can say the how much rupees in two parts you can divide on the basis of this situation. Okay, so when we will do the solution of this question, then let the first part be x, let the first part be x, then according to the question, the other part is 20% of the first part. So 20%, and how much is the first part? We will let first part be x, so we will write here the other part is equal to the 20% of the first part, and first part is x. Okay, so now this is the first part and this is, we can say, the second part. The total of these two is equal to the 90, because 90 is divided into two parts, first part and second part. First part you let x, and second part according to the question, that is 20% of x. So my dear student, we will do this here, x plus 20% of x is equals to 90 rupees. Okay, so now we will solve it. 20 percentage remove, divide by 100, and you will put the sign of multiplication in place of, and x here is equals to 90 rupees. 90 rupees or 90 amount you can say, because he did not give any special specification of this. Okay, so we will call the 90 rupees. Okay, so now 21 ja 20 and 25 ja 100. So here x plus x upon 5 is equals to 90. Now you will let 5 as a LCM here. So 5x plus x is equals to 90, and 5x and x, this is x, 6x. So 6x upon 5 is equals to 90, and from here you will find the value of x. So when you want to find the value of x, then you have to do some arrangements here, like 5 is the cross multiplication of 90, and 6 will go in the denominator. So x is equals to 90 into 5 upon 6. So when we will reduce this fraction, reduce this situation, then 15 6 ja 90 and 15 5 ja 75. Means the first part is 75. First part is 75. So from, with the help of the value of first part, you will get the value of second part. So how you will find the second part value? The second part value is 20% of x. So 20%, 20 upon 100 multiply 75. Clear? Because you have the value of x 75. Then you will solve this. So 21 ja 20 and 25 ja 100. On 5, 15 ja 75. Means you can say here the value of first part is 75 and second part is 15. So your answer will be 75 and 15. Hope you will understand this. Okay. So this is your question number 2. If 70% of the students in a school are boys and the number of girls is 540, then find the number of boys in the school. Means, my dear student, in a school, boys and girls. So when we will sum the boys and girls strength, then we have the total strength of the school. So here, but he given us the boys percentage 70% and exact number of girls. So my dear student, if total strength percentage is 100%, so clearly he given us the strength of boys in terms of percentage, that is 70%. So one thing is very clear, that the percentage of girls is 30%, because out of 100, 70% are boys. Then how much is the girls percentage? The 30%. So here we will let the total strength of school be X. Okay, because you don't know about the total distance, so you will let the X here. Clear? So now, according to the situation, percentage of girls, so 100 minus 70, that is 30%. Okay, so 30% of X is equals to 540. So from here you will find the value of X. So 30 upon 100 multiply X is equals to 540. Here X is equals to 540 multiply 100 upon 30, 0, 0, 18. So my dear student, the total strength of the school is 1800. Total student strength in school is 1800. So from the total strength you will subtract the number of girls, that is 540. Then you will find the value, you will get the value of number of boys. So when you will find the number of boys, then total strength, that is 1800, and number of girls is 540. So the answer is 0. 10 minus 4, 6, and here 7. Okay? No. 10 minus 4, 6, 7 minus 5, 2. 1260. The strength of boys in a school is 1260. I hope this question is clear. So this is your question number 3rd. The cost of a meal in a restaurant has increased from 120 to 150 rupees. Find the percentage increase in the cost of the metal. Okay, so you have to find the cost of the metal. So first you will do increase in cost. How much increase in cost? So solution, increase in cost. So according to the concept, 150 minus 120 means 30 rupees is increased the metal cost. Okay, so now you will find the value of percentage increase. So very simple question, percentage of increase cost. Okay, so how much is increased? 30, and what was the original cost? 120, and you have to change it into a percentage, then you have to multiply by 100. So 0 0 3 4 the 12 and 4 25 the 100. So 25% is increase the metal cost. Okay, so now the next question is question number 4. What percent of votes are favor in a what percent of votes are in favor of a candidate if 25% vote for him and 45% vote against him? So everybody read the question number 4 from your book. Okay, so now we will do only the solution. This time we will not write the question here. So question number 4, and this is the solution. Okay, so favor candidate, first we will write the favor candidate. Favor candidate, that is 45. Favor candidate, that is 45. Unfavor candidate, not sorry, this is 25, and unfavor candidate, that is 45. Okay, so total number means favor and unfavor, total candidates is 25 plus 45, answer is 70. Okay, so now you have to find in percentage, favor candidate percentage. So my dear student, if in the question he asked the favor candidate percentage, then how the concept you will apply if favor candidate is 25 and total candidate is 70. So when you want to find the favor candidate percentage, so 25 upon 70 into 100. But in the question if he asks the unfavor candidate percentage, very simple, unfavor candidate percentage 45 upon 70 into 100. Then this situation you will face. Okay, so now calculation is so easy, then you can find yourself. Okay, and write the answer in the where room. I hope this question is completely understood. Okay, now the next question is 25, very interesting question. Manoj income increased by 20% and then decreased by 20%. So what is the total percentage change Manoj income? So you don't know about the actual income of Manoj, so you will let here the income of Manoj be 100. Let Manoj income be 100. So first 20% decrement. So after 20% means first in the first time Manoj's income is 20% increase. So after 20% increase, simple 120. Okay, 20%, 100 plus 20% of 100. Okay, then the situation you will solve, then you will get the 120 rupees. Okay, so now after decrease 20%. So 120 minus 20% of 120. simply you can solve this situation. 120 and 20 upon 100 multiply 120, 0 0 0 0. Okay, so 120 minus 24. So 120 minus 24, how much is this? 96 rupees. 96 rupees. Clear? So now you have to find out the net decrease. So net decrease means Manoj income is 100, okay, and decrease amount is 96 rupees. So net decrease is 4. So net decrease is 100 minus 96 is equals to 4. Simple. Now question number 7. A man spent 45% of his income and saved 264 rupees in a month. What is his monthly income? So you will let the monthly income of man. Let the monthly income of man be X. Man be X, but he spends equals to 45%. So he saved how much? 100 minus 45, that is 55%. This is very good, man. He saved 55% in his income. Okay, so you will let the monthly income X. So now, but he saved the X, he given us the saved amount. So 55% of X is equals to 2640, if I am not wrong. Okay, 2640, yeah. He saved this amount from his income. So 55 upon 100 into X is equals to 2640, and you will find the value of X from here. So X is equals to 2640 into 100 upon 55. Okay, so 11 and 20. Okay, and 11 to the 22 and 11 4 the 44. So 240 into 20. So 20 and 24 to the 4,800. 4,800 rupees is the monthly income. Okay, so I hope all these questions you will clearly understand. Okay, try at home at least one time, and I am repeating again, before start this exercise you have to do each and every example from in this exercise. Okay, so take care.